Okay, parents, this week we have started double-digit multiplication. This is a huge skill for fourth grade. They will learn the traditional way, but if they do it this way, 99% of the time, they get the answer right. Lots of them like to try the traditional way, or we call it the old school way, but they get a lot of problems wrong. So let me show you how we've been learning it this week. We call it partial products, or we call it area model. And if it's 2 digits by 2 digits, what they need to do is they're going to draw a box and they're going to break it up into 4 squares. And the reason why they do 4 is because each number is 2 digits, and I'll show you why. So first they're going to break this up into expanded form. 34 is 30 plus 4, and then 26 is going to go on the side. 20 plus 6. So they broke up both numbers. Now they multiply just like they're doing a multiplication, or like you would on a multiplication chart. So I'm going to do it this way. 20 times 30 is 6. I need to add my 2 zeros. 20 times 4 is 80. 6 times 30 is 180. 6 times 4 is 24. All of these are called my partial products. The biggest mistake the kids make are the zeros. Sometimes they just add zeros to add them, or they don't put enough zeros. So they really have to look at the 2 numbers they're multiplying and then make sure they have their zeros. 60 times 30. But when they do it this way, all of the problems in here become mental math now, and they're not adding or regrouping or carrying any numbers like that. Once they're done, they need to add all of these partial products up. $884 is their answer. So the kids actually do it really quick when they're doing it this way. I know it seems long, and I know that it's different from how we learned it growing up, but I can honestly tell you that 99% of the time they will get it right this way. The only thing that you have to do is check their zeros. And if the kids do get it wrong, normally I tell them to come show me your work, and it's really easy for me to check their multiplication, and I can tell them exactly which box that they didn't do correctly. So this is how we've been learning it. They had it for homework last night. They have it for homework again tonight. So we'll keep practicing this, but this is just so you have an idea of how it's taught in class.